What up YouTube, it's your boy Will Rider here. In today's video is going to be making a sharpening station inspired by Jesse the Samurai Carpenter. Mine is a little smaller, made for one stone at a time. I have limited space, so I need to make something I can move around easily. I might change up a bit because I ended up breaking one of my expensive Japanese stones and then switched to more expensive Shapton stones. These are nice, they got a nice smooth glass back, but they are a lot thinner, so I need to change up my station a little bit. I really like these stones. These are ceramic. They work great, but as always, thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. You won't hurt my feelings. I don't care. Material used for this project is all scrap 2x4s and 2x3s from a previous project. Some were straight and flat, some were quite crooked and curved, so I did my best to straighten everything out. It's hard to record when you don't have a memory card in. So what you missed was the breadboard's getting installed. I got the Morses cut out here. I did that in CNC because I'm a cheater, and then used the new router thing that I made. That's too far away. I'm laying down. But to cut out the main board, and now I've glued them together. There are quite a bit of gaps on the ends, and sprinkle some sawdust in there with some glue to fix those gaps. It's my first attempt at doing a breadboard. I think I did a pretty good job. Now I'm trying to figure out how to mount it to the legs. I don't know how I'm going to put the tabletop on there. And I need to do a lot of sanding, and I'm going to fill this knot up. No, I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it be. It's going to get wet. I am going to seal this as good as I can with probably epoxy. No, I use polyurethane. That stuff's too expensive. So now I'm just going to sit and wait for some glue to dry. I got a little garden pump in there that pumps the water up through. It drains back down in the bucket through that hole. Everything was going so good. I'm polishing off this plane iron with the 8000 grit, and this just happened. I broke my freaking stone. I bought this in Japan, and I don't know how I'm gonna replace it. So this is how it sits today. This is after a couple months of use. I added this little support beam so I wouldn't break any more stones, but still I did break another stone. So my Japanese stones, well, I guess these Sharpening ones are made in Japan too. I think they are. But the other Japanese stones I got while I was living in Japan, I'm not going to use those anymore. These Sharpening ones that I've been using are pretty nice, but they sit a little too low in there, so I am going to modify everything that's in the inside here to bring these up level with the top here. I still haven't mounted anything on the side here to hold the water that comes down, but with these I don't really need a whole lot of water, so what I've been using is a cheap little water bottle. I just squirt some water on top of the stone when I need it, and I still have the bucket down below it to drain the water out of the bottom here. I guess you're wondering why I stained it with the stain that I stained. As you see, the color from all the sharpening crap that's all over it, that was the color it was going to turn anyways. And I just happened to find an old can of stain that was the same color as what usually the surface turns. You can see even up here where there's any stain, that's all gray now. I just might rebuild this whole box together. But I like it. I didn't finish any of it. It's not even sanded. I still got pencil lines marked all over it. I never cut off the through tendons. That's because it's a sharpening station. If I was going to sell it, make it look something nice like this table here that, oh, I just dropped something in the epoxy. I gotta fix that. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. No worries, it blew right off. Oh, that looks nice. It's like glass. Not so sticky anymore.